Alright, so we're going to be making tortellini and pasta primavera. So we're using tortellini noodles. These are beautiful. We're going to go ahead and throw these in our boiling salted water. Alright. Quick stir around. I've added just a tad bit of olive oil to the water too. I'm going to cook those. Got my pan here heating up, and we're going to saute a little bit of chopped garlic and chive. We're really going to saute this really fast, just to let it get a little bit of color to it. And then what we're going to do next is we have our broth. This is chicken broth and a couple tablespoons of flour. We're going to add this in and reduce it down until it becomes a thick sauce, in which we'll add in our shredded cheese. We've got some Parmesan, and then we're also going to cook our vegetables in with our pasta here in just a few minutes. So, looking about right, got just a little bit of brown to it. We're going to add in our broth. Bring the heat up on this and let it thicken, kind of reduce down together. You really want to keep your broth mixture kind of moving around as it bubbles and thickens up so you don't scorch it. That's already beginning to thicken up. Now if this starts to get a little bit too thick, you can always take a ladle full of your pasta liquid and drop into this, and that'll kind of loosen it up. It'll also keep it bound together with the starches from the pasta. Alright, so this is coming together nicely, pulling up on itself and getting nice and tight. At this point we want to reduce the heat. I'm going to add in part of our shredded cheese, let it melt. And we're going to turn it down to low and just let it set while our pasta and vegetables cook together. Alright, I've added a little bit of my pasta water back to the sauce. I'm going to go ahead and add in most of the rest of the cheese. I'm going to save a little bit just to sprinkle on top. We'll plate it up for you in just a second and show you what the finished product looks like.